What's up, everybody? It's a sunny but chilly day here in Iowa. Working on my 2012 Ford Raptor today. I'm going to be doing the DeeZee Tailgate Assist. Part number there. This is good for all F150s from 2004 to 2014. What the kit comes with is the plate, shock, the ball mount, tool to put a nutsert in, some Loctite, and some protective sticker. Here's the tools I'll be needing: Allen wrench, 13mm wrench, 10mm wrench, paint marker, T50 Torx bit, tape measure, and a rag. So first thing we're going to do is install this into this hole right here. And to do that, the first thing we have to do is set this tool to the right location. According to the instructions, it needs to be at 3/4 of an inch from this washer to the head of the Allen. And as you can see there, that's what it's at. So then you just take this, and we're going to set it in there, if it'll stay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark my nut here so I know how many turns in I have to go. DeeZee says 9 turns is a good starting point, 1 or 2 after that if it's still loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to turn my Allen, I'm only going to turn the nut. And I marked it so I can keep track of how many turns I go. And you're going to want to tighten it. So there's 1. 2. 3. There's 4 turns. 5. 6. 7. 8. And that's 9. After you get it in 9 turns, you're just going to pop the nut the other way and pull your Allen out. So now you can see there is a nut in that spot. Next thing we're going to do is take some of the provided Loctite and the ball mount. And you just need a little drip on the end of your threads if it comes out. There. I just dipped it in there. It's cold out, so it's more of a gel right now. And just thread that in. Doesn't have to be super tight. That's why I use Loctite. Just kind of give it a good snug. And that's good. Next thing we're going to do is take the tailgate cable off. Just got to get it past the little washer there, or the tab. This is the T50. Go ahead and loosen that up. Then you take the mounting plate that comes with it, you run the bolt through it that you took off, tying it back down. We put pressure against this plate up against the bed of the truck, just like that. And that's tight. Next we're going to put our cable back on, just like it came off. Set it over, click it up. Now we can hook up our shock. In order to do that, you just, a little ball there, clips right onto that. And just lift your tailgate up some. Pull your shock down. And clip it in. Make sure it shuts okay. And make sure it does its job. Oh, that's so much better. Oh yeah. Now it doesn't slam. Comes down nice and easy. Goes up nice and easy. Should have been that way from the factory. Well, that's it, guys. That's another super easy mod you can do. It's pretty cheap as well. I think I got it on sale, like 25 bucks. So like, share, follow, subscribe, all the good stuff. We'll have some more detailed content coming at you soon. Have a good day.